Hi, Professor Levine. This is Lorenzo Flores of Team Green. I will be leading the demo today of our Post GUI software, which Team Green has diligently been working on these last couple of weeks. It's been a pleasure working in our group, and I hope you find pleasure in watching our demo. So first, I'm going to give an intro to the demo here. This demo will consist of two primary parts. The first I'll be running the NetBeans. Well, for the whole demo, I'll be running NetBeans IDE. Initially, I'll run the store on my local host, and so thus my post on my local host, it will connect to the store on my local host, and I'll show sales log, show a couple of transactions from our GUI, and so some failed transactions, cash, check, credit. The second part, I will connect the GUI to an instance of the server that we have running on the city at SFSU. And the way that we'll show that information is actually getting transmitted is we've got a sale log that we can access via the web. So I'll refresh a browser and show you the sale log. So let me begin. Here's the NetBeans GUI, and if I go to Run, Project Configuration, I'm going to make sure that I'm on Run Store. I'm going to go ahead and run the store knowing that the RMI registry is not running because I just want to demonstrate that the store depends on the RMI registry. And that here we have this connection exception, and connection refused to host, localhost. So let me bring in my command line and type in the command to begin my RMI registry. Enter. Okay, so the RMI registry is now running in the background on my local host. Now I come back here, hit run, and it hangs, which is what we want. So we want the store to present just the terminal as it is. I will also open up the sales log. This is where sales log information will be updated. Information will also print to the terminal. This is just so we have options, and we could always set it to one thing or the other. And bear in mind, with the sales log, formatting can be adjusted. So first, let me go ahead and change my configuration to the mediator. So the store is running in the background, and now I need to run the mediator. So we call it the mediator. It's really the post, the GUI. Here's the GUI, and so you'll see here's the field for customer name, the add item, UPC, quantity, add button. This is where all the transaction items will be displayed. Payment options, and the field below here, the amount field, will change accordingly. So here for credit card number. If I initially try to hit pay, please enter a name. So already, there's some functionality there of recognizing, when there's user errors. So first, let me go ahead and put in Dave. He'll be our first shopper here, and we'll go ahead and add items at random here. UPC 0, UPC 2. If I keep clicking the add button, you'll notice that quantity gets incremented and the subtotal gets adjusted. Here, total is getting adjusted as well. Let's see. If I keep adding items, $107. I can't afford that. Let's go ahead and try paying with $50 anyways and see what happens here. Okay, this is the invoice. Unfortunately, this is just to tell us the transaction's canceled. This is the standard formatting for invoice, though. You see the store, post, name, date, time, items that we attempted to buy, the amount tendered, and that the transaction was canceled. Payment failed. So now we have the option to either try again here, or we can hit cancel. So I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel and show that the information all gets erased from the GUI, so that we can go ahead and try again. So this time Andrew will be our shopper. I guess Dave just gave up there. So I'm going to add a few bottles, and I'm just going to add a couple of iPads because I know Andrew, he would like that. This time I'm going to go ahead and try paying with the full amount, or the exact amount, I should say. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the exact amount for the total. Click pay. Okay. here's our invoice, the amount tendered, and the amount returned. I'll hit OK. Let me move the mediator, or the GUI, and come back here to the sale log. All right, see? So the sale log's been updated. Yes, it does somewhat resemble the invoice. It's got some extra information as specifically the store total. That's very important. So seeing as how we have one transaction, this is the store total for now. If I show you the output, that's nothing. So here we'll go back to the GUI. Let's run some more transactions and get some more information in the sales log and demonstrate a little more of the functionality here. So Anna Ruth will be our next purchaser, and so I'm once again going to add items. We'll give him some IE Sucks t-shirts and some Cheerios. Those are good things there for a man. And this time I'll enter more than we need. Okay, so here we have the total 54, the amount tendered 300, the amount returned 246. Okay,